curate and share a playlist on Boomplay. Now, step 1. Open your library and find playlist. Launch the Boomplay app. After doing that, here is what is going to appear to you on your dashboard. Then you navigate to the library section. You will see playlist at the top right corner right here. So you are going to tap on it. Step 2. Curate a new playlist. Select new playlist. As you can see, no playlist found. So to do that, you are going to click on the plus icon at the top right corner right here. Give it a title. If you want to keep it private, you can select that option right here so that others can see it. Step 3. Add songs to your playlist. Type add music to begin. You can pull from your recently download music right here. Then click add to your playlist by looking for this section. You can see you click on add to your playlist and it's going to appear. Step 4. Open the playlist you want to share. You go back to your playlist in your library. Let's move back and go back to our playlist. Then you click on the playlist you want to share. So right here, you click on the three icon right here, click on share. So you can now successfully share it to whatever location you want it to share it to, be it by Bluetooth, WhatsApp, WhatsApp Business, quick share on your Gmail, Telegram, and so on.